Just watch the news channel and listen the news that Donald Trump has banned 7 countries because they are Muslims. Are you sure? He banned for it. If you think like that, then you have been fooled. Don't take it serious because he made the whole world fool. And you are not the only fool in this world. Donald Trump just played the coin and he asked the world that he is banning outsiders to come into USA. Actually, he didn't want to do that. He played game across the world and now the whole world is in his trap. After this act, people think that USA is special country and they are trying to get USA visa on any case. This is what he wanted from the whole world. He wanted America to be extremely discussed country now he has done. Every person in the world discuss America. This is what he wanted for America. He is big gamer and he has played its first game and now he has won his game. He basically made mindset up that America is very extraordinary country and he set desires in heart of people to reach USA. Now the whole world and news channels have the same news. He knew media can stop him in his mission, so he banned them to interfere in his matters. And now he is getting popular with time and his mission is to make America the best and topmost country in the world. The country owns such place that no other such country can make him down, and this was his mission. And if he will be president for next 10 years, then he will make America as the best state in the world, and this is his mission. You should know that his name ends with success and he knows that how he can succeed. Now the whole world is feeling insecure because of this person. They think that he can attack on any country and his first impression is extraordinary and he got what he wanted from the world. So he is the only person that can make America always superpower. He made the whole world fool and now they are in his trap. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and share it with others. Goodbye.